Hey guys, Ocarina Hero here, and today we are finally unboxing and having a look at Doly, AI powered companion. So these are it's a tread pack that came with Doly, so you can change the colour of Doly's treads if you want. And this is Doly, so AI powered, app free interaction, voice control, assistant, self-charging, privacy, upgradable, add-ons, 3D printable, coding, open source, all these different things. So Doly is powered by a Raspberry Pi unit, which is like a little mini computer, if you've never heard of one before. Brimming with personality, crafted for interactive engagement, evolves a unique character with interaction. Your assistant and playful buddy displays a wide range of emotions, customizable. There you go. I'm not going to read the whole thing because I'm sure everybody would like Doly to come out the box. So all I have done since Doly arrived is fully charge them, and I have connected them to the internet just to speed up the process because nobody really wants to watch me doing boring stuff like that. So that says, thank you for believing in Doly, dear backers, little thank you note. So Doly was a Kickstarter project quite a while ago, and they had a few delays, but Doly is here now. There you go, some stickers, quite cool. So let's get Doly out. Quite nice packaging. So this is Doly. Nice big eyes. Got these little arms that come forward. Treads that you can change. Got little charging pins at the bottom because it has a wireless home charge, like a home station, on-off switch. Doly written on the back. That is a quick start guide for Doly. What does that say? Hi, I'm your new robotic friend. Together we'll explore, create, and make amazing memories. So the only thing left in the box now is the charging dock, which is quite cool. So Doly can self-charge when their battery is low. Unfortunately, I have a plug. Oh, got the cable tangled up. I have a plug here. If I put the USB in the right way. There you go. So the little charging station lights up so Doly can find it, and then when Doly is docked, it goes off. Quite cool. We'll just sit that back there in case it's necessary, and we will power Doly on. So one press on the power button and Doly comes on. So you can see the little arms are lit up, and then we will have a look at the app and what Doly can do. That says Doly, more than a robot. And hopefully in a minute we'll see Doly's nice big round eyes. So they have a touch sensor at the top here. There you go. See, they like that. They do not, I have learned, like being picked up. As the lights go red and they look a bit worried. And something you have to do with a robot when you get one, just to see how they react, is give them a little shake, because Vector does this really cool thing, the snow globe thing sometimes. There you go, see, they do not like being picked up. So I'm going to open the Doly app, and then we are going to have a look. But what you can do before I connect, we can try out the voice command. So, hey Doly, how are you?
I am better now because you are here.
Oh, that's nice. So there you go. So very smooth interaction. Hey Doly, what would you like to do?
Maybe a style change. I'm ready to glow up.
Oh yeah, what you mean change? Doly. Hey Doly, do you mean change treads? Thinking about it. Oh, is that a sneeze? Okay, treads is a bit of a funny word, so yeah, there you go. So hey Doly. Okay, what are we angry about? Hey Doly, what's the weather?
10 Celsius degree.
There you go. Broken clouds, which is it's been cloudy, although actually just out the window now. It has just started raining, but I mean, that's somewhat irrelevant. So Doly is there. Let's have a look at the app. Put Doly to the side like this. Oh, feeling grumpy because they do not like being picked up. Okay, all right, there you go. Can we pet you a bit? There you go. Does that soothe you a bit? There you go. Feeling loved now. You've got this little sliding scale between grumpy, neutral, and happy. So let's have a quick look at utilities. We've got clock.
3:09 p.m.
Okay. Just talk to Dolly to activate this feature. See the main menu. Okay. Timer. So you can set a timer. You can also ask Dolly to set a timer. Hey, Dolly, set a timer for 10 seconds. That's quite cool. So Dolly's going to count down. Just let them finish. Okay. Hey, Dolly. There you go. Okay, that was loud. So you can't mistake that, can you? So Dolly can take photos and remember. There. New. There you go. Well, there you go. That is me sat in front of Dolly. So that's quite exciting. Not. Weather.
9 Celsius degree.
There you go. Oh, identify. Username. So let me put in. There you go. And scan. Is that because I picked you up? You don't like it, do you? But how are you going to scan my phone? I'd have to have you on a. I'd have to have you on like a raised platform, would I? So, yeah, it's because you do not like being picked up. That's fine. Well, I'm not going to do that right now, but that's something we can do anyway. If you were on the same height, so Dolly is obviously a bit lower than me. Lights. Just talk to Dolly to activate this feature. Main menu, interact. Okay. Ooh. Grey. Salmon. Red. Dark red. Pink. Orange. Gold. Yellow. Purple. Magenta. Lime. Green. Dark green. Cyan. Sky blue. Blue. Dark blue. Brown. Off. There you go. So Dolly has all these lights. Let's go back off utilities. That's settings, volume, brightness. You can name them. They have a birthday. Software, hardware, network, units, dominant, right hand, left hand, time. Okay, voice tone. Can you change the voice tone? Can you? So what's... Oh, exactly what Dolly's doing right there. Something unusual. She's pretending she's in VR. I'd like to hear the different voices, but Dolly's doing something, so there you go. Let's get you back at that. So, okay, did that change? Well, I'll stick with one for now. So there you go. So different voices, different wake up sounds, virtual boundary, app theme, Blockly. So that's a coding thing. Beginner, just for now, just to have a quick look. So you can get Dolly to do different actions: eyes, sound, drive, arms, lights, time. So if we wanted, we could put get the eye ones to come out. Oh, I've clicked back instead, haven't I? So the eye there, you could do that, and then you could do sound, and you could do that, and put that next to it, and then we could do arms. I don't know, arms forward. Then you put the start on it. Oh, like that. And then you press start. And then we'll get the eyes. Am I not quite pressing start? Our play is down here. That's probably it. There you go. Oh, there you go. And one arm forward. So there you go. So there's loads of options. Timers, arms. I mean, if you wanted to spend some, you could spend some real time and code some quite clever stuff. That was only in beginner as well. So what do we have? Interact, say. Dolly understands you. One of the easiest ways to communicate with Dolly is simply by speaking. Take a look at the list on the side. You'll see explanations for each item you select. So there's weather, clock, timer, day, date, identity check, photo, arm movement, light control, eye customization. Might be interesting. Hey, Dolly. Change eyes to green. Oh, cool. Look at that. Easy as that. Hey, Dolly. Change eyes to red. Nice. That is easy. Oh, look, there's all the list of... Right, I need you facing this way. I know you don't like it. Hey, Dolly. Hey, Dolly. Change eye colour to cyan. There you go. Cyan blue. So the voice recognition is really good. I mean, it works really well. There's all these greetings, compliments, unkind phrases. Interesting. Games. So we're going to get to games in a minute, I think. Here we go. Play. Quick match. What does that do? Just talk to Dolly to activate this feature. Say, for example, start game. Okay. Okay. What am I supposed to do? Pick one? Is this like left? Ooh, that one. Okay.
Game Robo, do you want to play again?
Yes.
Get ready.
I'm not sure I understand exactly. Are you supposed to try and match? Oh, yellow and... So that one needs to...
Game Robo, do you want to play again?
Quick Match is a challenge game you can play against yourself, your family, or your friends. In this game, Dolly tests your reflexes and attention. Every successful move annoys Dolly and earns you points. After 3 rounds, the game moves to the next level, making things harder. At the beginning of the game, Dolly extends both hands towards the player. Then it starts randomly changing the colour of the eyes and the LED lights on its hands. After a short while, the changes stop and the final colours are set. Dolly may choose the same or different colours for each eye and hand. The player's task is to identify the matching side based on the colour and to make a small movement that corresponds to that arm. Okay, so we're trying to match the colours. So let's start the game then. And we'll have some idea what we're doing this time, hopefully. I know, you don't like me moving you around, do you? But I need to keep... Yeah, but nobody can see that, can they? So, okay, so green's right. No? So you're trying to match the arm to the eyes, that one. Purple. Oh, cool, look, level up. So I'm getting the hang of this now. Orange is right. So you're trying to match the arm to the eye colour. So green. Yellow. Level up. Look at that. We're doing really well. Orange. Ooh, yellow. Blue. Yeah, I mean, they were arguably both the same, weren't they? So there you go. Look at that. 500 points. Super spin. Let's have a look at this. Just talk to Dolly to activate this feature. So you don't have to use the app to do this. Test your luck. Dolly raises its dominant hand to signal the game is ready. A green light will glow in Dolly's hand. Gently pull Dolly's arm, the lever, towards yourself, and then let go. If you pull far enough, the arm will return on its own, and the symbols in Dolly's eyes will start spinning. When the spinning stops, check the symbols in Dolly's eyes. Match 2 of the same symbol to win. Example. Well, let's just do it from here. Ready. There you go. This is like a slot machine. We have a Dolly symbol, but we have not matched 2. So do we go again? I don't know what happens when you do match 2. Oh, look, 2 cherries. We're going to find out winner. Okay, that's quite fun. We go again. Do this one last time and then we'll try the other game. But yeah, like I said, Dolly's quite new, so there will be a few bugs and there'll be new things updated. Just talk to Dolly to activate this feature. So Dolly is a small robot with a big personality and sometimes a big temper. To stay calm, Dolly practices meditation every day. The colourful glowing lights in Dolly's hands help with relaxation, but there's a tiny problem. They work too well. Dolly often falls asleep while meditating. Your mission, while Dolly is asleep, slowly move both arms back to their starting position, called the 0 angle. But be careful, Dolly is a light sleeper. If you move too fast, Dolly might open one eye. If the eye is open, don't move. If you move while the eye is open, Dolly will wake up angry. Moving too fast at any time will also wake Dolly up and trigger the grumpy reaction. Pay attention to the lights. Start game.
Get ready.
Okay. So do we need to wait for her to go to sleep, I think? And then really gently, slowly, move the arm back to... Okay, so there's one. Oh, there you go. It did say when the eyes are open a little bit not to. So do we... There you go then. So that's the end of that game. I didn't quite manage to do it. I got one back. And then that was the end of that. So what else do we have? There's 3 games. What are skills? This one's flashing. Congratulations. Your colourful creativity brought out Dolly's most artistic side. Okay, so these are like achievements. What does that one do? We haven't done any more yet. So these are things we will discover along the way, I'm guessing. So there you go. There's that. Customize. Eye style. Classic. Modern. Space. Orbit. Glow. Digital. Classic. I quite like the classic eyes, to be honest. Don't know if I'd want... No, I quite like the classic. Colour we can change, we know that. Oh, look, we can change the background. Don't know if I want to change the background. I think the white looks quite good anyway. It's cyan eyes. And then what do we have? Explore. Edge sensors are disabled in remote drive. So this is essentially us remote controlling Dolly. Have a bit of room. And you can see what Dolly's doing while she's on it. Quite cool. Dolly's box. There you go. Move the arms to different angles. Oh, quite cool. There you go. So that is remote controlling Dolly. She does not like being picked up. Hey, Dolly. Oh, I know, grumpy, right? Hey, Dolly. How are you?
I am better now because you are here.
Oh, that's very nice. So a little touch sensor at the top here. So there we are. There is Dolly. Everything's set up. Oh. Oh, that's different. I don't know what's happening there, but there will be different animations and things that Dolly does. Hey, Dolly. Play an animation. Hey, Dolly. Animation. That might not be one of the words. I don't think that's not exactly a word. Hey, Dolly. Do something. Feeling scared. I wonder why. Hey, Dolly. What should we do? No, that's not one of the things. Exploring a virtual world. That's quite cool. So we've seen this one before. So there you go. You don't need the app anyway. You can. Can all be voice controlled. So there's Dolly exploring VR. But I am going to end the video there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more from my channel. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.